Hi, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is my 2008 Suzuki SX4. In this video, I will replace one of the coil packs. The coil packs are what fires the spark plugs, and there's 4 of them because this is a 4-cylinder engine. It's not hard to replace a coil pack, but they're underneath this. So let's go ahead and get started. To do this project, you'll need 2 sockets, an 8mm and a 10mm socket, and you'll need a ratchet, and you'll need a short to medium length extension for the ratchet. To get it off, you'll need a 10mm socket with a short extension and a ratchet, and I'm going to take off first this bolt. There's 2 bolts that hold this cover in place, the engine cover. Okay, with the 2 bolts off, there's 2 clamps at the back of the cover. These are where the air filter is. So undo the 2 clamps. And now there's 2 press fittings that the cover snaps into. To get the cover off, you'll need to disengage it from the air filter assembly. So tilt the air filter assembly back and lift it up so it disengages. There's a couple of tabs at the bottom. Might be easier if you take the air filter out as well. So just get that out of the way. So now that this is disengaged from the air filter assembly, it should just lift up. These are the coil packs. There's 4 of them in this engine, and each coil pack is attached with a single 8mm bolt. So to remove a coil pack, all you need to do is remove the 8mm bolt and then take the connector off. So let's get that bolt off first. It's not on super hard, and I'm just going to spin it off using the socket like that. And now you can pull this out of its well. Of course, at the bottom of the coil pack, this goes over the spark plug. To get the connector off, push down on this tab right here, and you'll have to wiggle it a bit, and it'll come right off. To install a coil pack, just put it into the well, press it down over the spark plug, and then get the bolt started with your fingers. Thread it all the way in with your fingers. I like to use the socket. Makes it go a little faster. And when it's snug, then tighten it down with the ratchet. Not super tight because you don't want to strip the threads. Then you need to add the connector. And that's how you replace a coil pack in a Suzuki SX4. Probably the hardest part of this project is getting the engine cover mated to the air filter housing and all back into the right position on top of the engine. But it will go, actually. The actual coil pack itself, replacement goes very quickly. Now there's 4 coil packs. I only replaced 1. I don't know which one you will need to replace, but replacement of any of them is identical to the one that I showed you. Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.